Good job. Oh, you're riding the bike with the baby. Good job. Oh, now you want to ride the bike, huh?
Let's go. We have to find that door.
Oh, now the baby rides the bike? Or are you gonna try and ride the bike with the baby? Okay. Oh, that's so cute.
That should do it. Arms away. Be careful.
Oh, yeah? You want me to hold the baby?
Archer, watch the tree.
You want the baby back?
This man is taking too much balls.
Oh, you're riding with the baby? Here. There you go. There you go. There. Good job. Good job.
As soon as I'm done, you set that here.
I know the plan, right? It's my land.
Fine. Jeez, don't get a damn joke already. Get it? Damn joke.
Mm.
Jokes are terrible.
They're not.
They are. Now concentrate. You have all day.
I liked you better before we had sex.
I know, it's hard to do things with a baby, huh? It's really hard.
Let's hurry up for you.
I know.
We'll get started at 5.
Say bye-bye. Say bye-bye. Bye-bye.